Hello U of I recruitment team. My name is William Rasmussen, and today I will be telling you the basic social parameters you will need to know as you look for potential vandals in the beautiful country of Honduras. Let's get started. The first thing you will do is introduce yourself to potential students and their families. Since this will be your first meeting, you will want to maintain a formal front throughout your first interaction. The best way to start is with a simple handshake. As far as greetings go, it can be beneficial to the relationship if you greet them in the native language of Spanish. Even something as simple as buenos dias or hola can go a long way. Small talk can also help build a stronger relationship and show that you are interested in the student and what they want from the school. It can be tricky though, because in Honduran culture, maybes can be considered distrustful or rude, and many Hondurans will try to tell you what they think you would like to hear. So it is important that in your first interaction with prospective students, you build trust so that you can know what they are actually looking for and what they would like to get out of the university. Next up, I would like to discuss personal space and physical contact. Physical contact is much more common than in the US, with men often patting each other's shoulders and women behaving similarly. Conversations are often held at less than arm's length, making for quite intimate conversations. It should be noted, however, that Honduras, like many other South American countries, has had trouble with the machismo personality in men. So, if you are a woman, please be careful interacting with men in informal settings, as catcalling and inappropriate comments can sometimes occur. Most importantly, make sure to read the situation to know what is and isn't appropriate for the situation and act accordingly. Since you'll mainly be speaking directly to potential students and their families, you'll most likely be talking to them over the phone. Luckily for you, phone etiquette is very similar to that in America. Unless stated, you'll probably want to stick to a last name basis if talking to parents, but it should be fine to call the students by their first name. If you are not able to call them, email will also work just fine. Again, this is very similar to American formalities, and you should maintain formality with parents unless it is established that you don't have to. As you can see, it is very important that you respect people who are older than you while you are in Honduras. At this point, you may be wondering about what you should be wearing when meeting potential students and their families. This also is very easy to understand, as it once again is similar to American customs. When you are first meeting students, since you will be maintaining a formal image, you will want to stick to classic formal wear, similar to what you would see in an office. But eventually, you will most likely be communicating more often with the students and their families, and may even be invited over for dinner. In these cases, you should be fine wearing any collared shirt and even a nice pair of shorts, weather permitting. As always, just keep in mind table manners, and you should do fine at these informal dinners. That is all I have for you today, and I hope that you will consider all of this as you embark on your journey to Honduras. Thank you for your time, and goodbye.